What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be unboxing and taking a look at the just released Apple iPhone 11 Pro Max in both silver and midnight green, so stick around. Welcome back, and it's my favorite time of the season, and I'm not talking about Christmas. I'm talking about iPhone season. So as you can see in front of me, I have two iPhone 11 Pro Maxes, one silver and one midnight green. Now I'm really excited to open these up and put them through the test. I will be doing a full review, an extensive full review at that. If you're interested in checking that out and are interested in checking out what the new iPhones can do, please be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that content. Now the iPhone is available in 64 gigabytes, 256 gigabytes, and 512 gigabytes. The 64 gig is going to cost you $1,100. The 256 you're looking at $1,250, and the 512 you're looking at almost $1,500 The new iPhone 11 Pro and iPhone 11 Pro Max are available in 4 different colors: silver, midnight green, space gray, and gold. So without further delay, let's go ahead and unbox the first iPhone 11 Pro Max in silver. Now I honestly didn't know which color to choose this time around when it came to pre-orders. However, silver is always a good bet. As you can see on the side of the box, it does say iPhone in silver, and we have a silver Apple logo on the top and bottom. Now lifting up the lid on the box, I have to say I am impressed with the looks of the device. We'll place it off to the side for now. And we do have a little bit of paperwork as well as some Apple stickers. Also included is a SIM ejection tool. We get an 18-watt fast charger, a set of wired ear pods, and our charging cable. And it's always extremely gratifying removing that protective plastic for the very first time. And taking a look at the back of the device, I am extremely glad that Apple went with a color matched triple camera system rather than a whole entire blacked out square. As you can see, the Apple logo is also centered in the iPhone now, which is going to be the indicator and specific location where you're going to charge your AirPods with bilateral charging in a future update or in a future iPhone. Taking a closer look at the bottom of the device, we can see we have 2 speaker grills as well as a lightning port. On the right side is our power sleep wake button, and on the left side is our mute switch and volume up and down buttons. And on the back is that triple camera system, microphone, and flash. I have to say that I'm definitely glad I went with the silver color as it looks extremely nice. The new included 8-watt fast charger is capable of charging your iPhone from 0 to 50% in 30 minutes. Now, shout out to Apple for making an awesome looking silver color iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now let's take a look at the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. The box says iPhone in midnight green with a midnight green Apple logo. Let's go ahead and remove that protective packaging again, and lifting the lid, we are presented with the midnight green iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now we do already know what's in the box and we won't take a further look at that. My first impressions are that it's definitely a very unique looking color. The iPhone 11 Pro Max has a 6.5-inch Super Retina XDR OLED panel with a resolution of 2688 by 1242 with a PPI count of 458. It's also IP68 dust and water resistant, and as far as under the hood, we get Apple's A13 Bionic chipset. Now the color of the midnight green does change in different lighting situations. As you can see, as I move it more towards the light, how it gets more green. And when it's not in direct lighting, it looks more space gray. So the big news here with the new iPhones is this triple camera system. So we have 3 different lenses. So we have a f1.8 wide angle lens, we have a f2.0 telephoto lens, and a f2.4 ultra wide angle lens. We also get Bluetooth 5.0, Wi-Fi 6.0, a dual Dolby Atmos speaker system, and in terms of the front facing camera, we get a 12 megapixel f2.2 camera, which of course is capable of capturing those slow-fies. Anyways guys, I'm extremely impressed with the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. I will be doing an extremely in-depth review of this particular device, so if you're interested in that, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss that important content. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.